Hi, my name's Driveway DIYer. Today I'm going to do you a toolbox tour. Did a video on Snap-on stuff about how bit of a tour of my garage then, but I'm going to do a bit of a toolbox tour now as well, showing how I've moved on from a little toolbox into a couple of stacks that I've got now. I've only got a small garage, so it's really hard to get some real top quality toolboxes in here, but this is what I've built up to. Started off quite small and now this has gone to a Sealy triple stack, and then I've moved on to a ProGen double stack. Just tried the two different ones out, depends on the price really, but this is what I've got in my toolboxes. So I'll start off with my Sealy. Is it Sealy American Pro ball bearing? The top, got a couple of magnetic trays. This does me at the moment. Very good, great for working on your cars, not losing fasteners and stuff. At the top, got my electrical bits in here. Got my DVOM, bulbs, seals, test light, my load tester for batteries. Yeah, that's pretty much what I've got in there. The first drawer, got all my couple of testers, my brake fluid tester, tyre tester, grips, my 1/4 inch attachment with 3/8 attachment. Got my magnet mirror, couple of thread cleaners as well, battery cleaner, yeah, a couple of bits and bobs in there. Drawers are pretty good as well, not too bad, good for a starter like me, DIY like that. And this one I've got my trim for trims, taking off door cards as well, things like that. Hooks, a couple of swan neck spanners. I've got long reach screwdrivers, cobalt drill bits. These are really good. Got me out of a mess a few times, drilling out broken studs and stuff. Chisels, brake tool. Yeah, long reach screwdrivers are great. I've had these quite a long time. This one broke on me. Ground it down on there, so it's back into action again. Yeah. I like a bit more space in these bit deeper trays, to be honest, but you know, the handles get stuck sometimes, but that's alright. Here's my socket set. Showed this on my other video. All different types really, different makes. Nothing apart from my ratchet, which I showed you. Got a torque set. That was great for working on Vauxhalls, GM stuff. Did a strip down, engine strip down, which had videoed that, but wasn't really into videoing back then. Did a strip down, head gasket, chain and all that sort of thing. This came in, these are invaluable. Extensions, quarter inch deep sockets, 3/8 deep sockets. Some of these are Nielsen, some of these are, I don't know, B&Q or whatever, but they've all been good. They all work out really well. Yeah, nothing's failed on me yet. Going further down to the middle section, these are all my pliers, snap ring pliers. These are really good for the old hose clips, spring clips. Hose pliers, HT lead pliers. Yeah, I think I need a bigger tray really for some of this. Bigger drawer. Going down, spanners. That's for doing a timing belt, getting the crank bolt out on a Honda Civic. Old T1. This was my granddad's, I think, for old using on spark plugs. This is a bit of an old relic. That is on some of the old 1960s cars. Yeah, 24mm big spanners, 35, 36. I usually use them that much, but they're there if I need them. Riveter, coolant tester, use that quite a bit. Get track rods tool, torque angle for torquing at angles. Use that on the engines. I'm doing bolts, things like crank bolts and head bolts and stuff. In here's are studs, taking out broken studs. Yeah, it's in there. Going down to the deeper ones. ABD2 scanner. It's been great. It's paid for itself a lot of times. I'm going to try and do some videos on that. Hex bolts, flare set, exhaust things. Always worth having a belt, an old belt, seat belt. They're great for stuff like lifting heavy parts or whatever. Here's some of my sets. Got here torque wrenches, cheater bar, hex kit, 02 sensor kit, spark plug kit. That's pretty good. Had that a long time. It's never failed me yet. And here got a couple of cupboards. Got the impact wrench. It's pretty. Had that a while. Made by Clark. Oil filter wrench kit. That's really good. If you look at my oil change video, then you'll see me using it on that. Fuel tester, compression kit, gloves, brake kit. Yeah, that's what's in there. So that's my Sealy toolbox. And then moving over to my ProGen. I got this last year because I was overflowing from this one. So I've got this one in here. I've got the top. Got a toolbox. Comes with a handle on top. Very good. Got a cone for me boots, tri-shaft boots, flexi ones. Lights, ratchets. Got this special tool. This is a snap-on tool. It's in all the nooks and crannies. I think it comes with a. This is welded to the end, so I'm going to cut that off so I can use it for. I think it was a special tool for a car. I got it off eBay because it was snap-on and it was cheap. But then I realised it was welded to the end, so I'm going to grind that off, and so it'll work for anything. Lights, loads of lights. Scraping. Some of this is fairly new actually. It's for getting oil seals out. Scraping heads. Micrometer. Oil filter kit. Use these on my lads' Punto for their sump plugs. Yep. More spanners. Can't have enough spanners. There's spanners everywhere. Spanners in my car. Spanners in here. Spanners hanging up. Exhaust bits, hooks, putting exhaust, getting bushes off, exhaust bushes off, hangers. Going down, top drawer, there's all my tubes. Yeah, you collect those gaskets, copper grease, Loctite, all that sort of stuff. Bungee cords, gloves. Yeah. These are all my pullers and heavy hammers, and just got this as well. Pulling off taking apart drive shafts, spring coils. Yeah. pullers, all that sort of stuff. You know what it all is. Extensions. Got this tool for working on Vauxhall. Timing locking tool. Use it quite a bit for when I was working on my lad's Vauxhall. It's great. Complete engine tear down. Probably do one again. Normally do on those Vauxhalls, doing timing chains, kits and stuff like that. Lloyd's for testing injection systems. Quartz kits. Snap ring tools. A few of them. Hammers. All radios. These are on my long reach spanners. Got these the other day as well, flexi heads. Haven't used them yet, but I got them quite cheap. So yeah, that's my 2 toolboxes. Moving around a bit. There's my other toolbox. This is my everyday toolbox. Some Fiat Punto parts in there for when my lad comes back from uni. Ratchet straps. Pulling up suspension, gloves, grips, stuff like that, loads of screwdrivers. And here I've got all my bits and bobs as well, more boards, screws, washers, sump plugs. These are on my Civic and Ford washers, things like that. But yeah, they're my toolboxes, and that's my toolbox tour. It's not as impressive as some of the YouTubes you see, but I am a DIYer. I've got a small garage, small shop, as the Americans call it. And this is my toolbox tour. Thanks for watching. I'm Driveway DIYer. And this is how you can grab my channel. Thanks for watching.